All right, so this is a trapezoid. How do I know it's a trapezoid? Well, a trapezoid has one set of parallel lines, but the other sides are slanted. It's not a 90-degree angle, and they're not congruent, and they're not parallel. So because this is not parallel to this, trapezoid. It's not a square, it's not a rectangle, it's a trapezoid. Now the area for the trapezoid is equal to the base 1 plus base 2 divided by 2. All of that times the altitude height. Okay? Well, this is base 1, and this could be base 2, and then this is the altitude height. And that, you know, it's a little grayed out, so let me pencil it in there. 3.1 yards. So now, to do this, I'm going to add these up. So I'm going to say 3.5 plus 6.9, put that in parentheses, all over 2 times 3.1. So now this is order of operations, but we're going to treat the numerator like it's like it's parentheses, right? So I'm going to say let me turn on my calculator. We're going to say 3.5 plus 6.9, that's 10.4. So I'm going to write out each step so you can kind of see how it's done. 10.4 divided by 2, all of that times 3.1. So now I'm going to take my 10.4 divided by 2, and I get 5.2, and then that's going to be multiplied by 3.1 times 3.1, and then I get the area is equal to 16.12 yards squared. Okay? Remember, that's a trapezoid. We got one set of parallel lines, but the other lines are not parallel. So it's not a parallelogram, it's not a rectangle, it's not a square, it's a trapezoid. It's not a triangle. Triangle comes to a point. It looks like a triangle. If you took a triangle and like cut its head off, that's what that would look like. Okay? We would say, I think a more formal way to say it is it looks like a truncated triangle. All right.